Want to live close to Route 200 and an amazing bike trail?
Plus, you've got Colesville Shopping Center just around the corner and a beautifully brand new remodeled home in move-in condition. We'd love to show you around.
Let's go.